Did you know that over 80% of commercial herbicides contain chemicals that can persist in the soil for weeks, if not months, potentially harming beneficial organisms and contaminating water sources? This startling statistic has prompted many gardeners and homeowners to reconsider their approach to weed control, leading to a surge in the popularity of DIY vinegar weed killers as a natural alternative. With the growing awareness of environmental issues and a desire for safer gardening practices, vinegar has emerged as a household staple for those looking to tackle pesky weeds without resorting to harsh chemicals. Weeds can be a gardener's worst nightmare. They compete with desired plants for nutrients, water, and sunlight, often outpacing them in growth and resilience. Whether it's the stubborn dandelion that seems to thrive in the most inhospitable conditions, or the creeping clover that invades flower beds, the battle against weeds can feel endless. Many individuals find themselves frustrated, spending hours pulling, hoeing, and applying commercial herbicides, only to see those tenacious invaders return with a vengeance. This ongoing struggle has led to an increased demand for effective, eco-friendly options that are not only kinder to the environment, but also safer for pets and children. Vinegar, particularly the kind found in most kitchens, has gained traction as a potential solution. The active ingredient in vinegar is acetic acid, which is known for its ability to kill plants by drawing moisture out of their cells. When applied directly to the foliage of weeds, the acetic acid disrupts the plant's cellular structure, leading to desiccation and, ultimately, death. This natural process is appealing to many, especially those who prefer to use ingredients that are readily available and non-toxic. However, the effectiveness of vinegar as a weed killer is not without its challenges. The concentration of acetic acid in household vinegar is typically around 5%. While this can be effective against young, tender weeds, it often falls short against more established plants with deep roots or those with thicker leaves. For tougher weeds, higher concentrations of vinegar, such as those found in agricultural vinegar, which can be as high as 20% acetic acid, may be more effective, but they also come with increased risks. Such potent solutions can harm desirable plants if not applied carefully, and they can also pose safety concerns, requiring protective gear during application. In a comparative study of DIY vinegar weed killers and commercial products, researchers found some unexpected results. While commercial herbicides often boast quick results, many of them come with a host of side effects, including soil degradation and harm to beneficial insects. On the other hand, vinegar, while slower to show results in some cases, offers a more sustainable approach. In trials where vinegar was applied to various types of weeds, results varied widely. Younger weeds wilted within hours, while older, more resilient plants took several applications over a few days to show significant decline. This variability highlights a crucial point. Vinegar is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Moreover, the effectiveness of vinegar can depend on several factors, including weather conditions. Hot, sunny days enhance the action of vinegar, as the heat aids in the drying out of the plant cells. Conversely, applying vinegar on cloudy or rainy days can significantly diminish its effectiveness. Additionally, timing plays a critical role. Vinegar is best applied when weeds are actively growing, which often coincides with their most aggressive growth phases in spring and early summer. Despite these limitations, the eco-friendly nature of vinegar appeals to a growing segment of the population. Many gardeners report satisfaction with their DIY vinegar solutions, particularly when combined with other natural ingredients. For instance, adding a few drops of dish soap can help the vinegar adhere to the leaves of the weeds, improving its effectiveness. Some enthusiasts even experiment with essential oils or salt to enhance the weed-killing properties of vinegar, creating unique concoctions tailored to their specific gardening needs. In weighing the pros and cons of using vinegar as a weed killer, one must consider both its environmental benefits and its practical limitations. On the positive side, vinegar is non-toxic, biodegradable, and safe for use around children and pets. It is also inexpensive and readily available, making it an accessible option for many. Furthermore, Its use supports a broader movement toward organic gardening practices, fostering a more sustainable approach to land management. On the downside, vinegar is not as effective against all types of weeds, particularly those that are well established or have deep root systems. It may require multiple applications and careful timing to achieve the desired results, which can be a deterrent for those seeking immediate solutions. Additionally, the potential for collateral damage to desirable plants makes it essential for users to apply vinegar with caution, especially in mixed gardens. Ultimately, whether vinegar is a worthwhile option for weed control depends on individual circumstances and preferences. For those who are dedicated to organic gardening and willing to put in the effort, vinegar can be a valuable tool in the fight against weeds. However, it may not be the best choice for everyone, particularly those who require fast-acting solutions or who are dealing with extensive weed infestations. In conclusion, the rise of DIY vinegar weed killers reflects a broader shift towards natural gardening practices and a desire for safer, eco-friendly solutions. While vinegar may not be a panacea for all weed-related woes, it offers a compelling alternative for those seeking to reduce their reliance on chemical herbicides. As gardeners continue to explore and experiment with this natural option, the balance between effectiveness and environmental responsibility remains a critical consideration in the ongoing battle against weeds.